Okay, everyone. I'm on Lake Mille, and there's a tornado warning directly to the west of me. And I was hoping that I could catch it here on Lake Mille. And I think that it is way to the west of us by Garrison, Minnesota. Hopefully that's where it is. I don't know if it's touched down. I know there was a huge wedge tornado by Elbow Lake, Minnesota. I don't know if it would cross Mille here, but over in that light area, that's where the tornado would be. I'd have to go back to radar and look. If anyone has radar scope, be a pal and go look for sure. I might have to leave this area and go look, but I think that's where the tornado would be, right over in that light area. Maybe you can hear the thunder coming off Mille Lake here. I don't know if that's a funnel coming off way over there. I don't know. Ooh, some fish over here. I don't know, because there's I honestly don't know. I know the last time I checked radar, I don't know. I don't know. It could be in the rain over here. I don't know. I might leave and then try to go hunt this earlier, but I know I was directly to the west of. Yeah, I might just abandon this. I was hoping I could catch it on Mille if it touched down. Yeah, darn it, I was hoping I could catch it. It might have way across the lake over there. Darn it, it could but I don't know for sure. Is any of you guys are watching? I know you don't have radar scope, but way over there. Because I know, and that's by Minnesota, there was a tornado warning. I might get back on the road, but I'm up in the salad here. It's terrible for storm chasing. But I was just in a tornado warned area here. I can see lowering way over there. I think that's where the tornado warning is, over there. What would be super cool is if the tornado Phil, you have radar scope. Can you go on your app and see by Garrison, Minnesota, and see if there's still a tornado warning by Garrison, Minnesota, in Mille County? Of course, the quality on camera here, I can see across the lake here. I swear there's some lowering over there. Of course, there's some fish action. And of course, the huge CG over here, cloud to ground. But it would be going to the northwest of us. I don't know. Maybe that is, I swear, maybe that is way over there. I think that's the tornado over there. Holy crap, look at the size of that thing. You guys probably can't see it. That's a huge... Holy crap. Do you guys know for sure if there's a tornado by Mille Lake? Holy crap. Right where this light area is here, see if I can, where the light area is, I think that's the tornado. Huge wedge, and it's going to come right on the lake. Darn it, I don't know if you guys can see it over there. See if I can get it up. Okay, where the light is on the left there, that's the... Phil, I know you're watching. Can you go on radar scope and check for sure? But that's a huge wedge over there. Can you guys see the tornado now? Can you guys see the tornado now? It's going to come right on Mille Lake. Can you see it? Can you guys see the tornado now coming on Mille Lake? Can you guys see that? Someone share it. There it is. There it is, the huge wedge coming on Mille Lake. Can someone share it and tag Bowden Cole? You guys see the tornado? You guys see the tornado over there? It's right across Mille Lake. I'll try to come in on it a little bit here. It's a big wedge. Sorry, I'm across the lake here. It looks like she's dissipating. I was hoping she'd come on the lake here. Big wedge. Yeah, she's still there. She's roping out a little bit there. There, still not wedge. Holy crap, that's a big tornado. Can you guys still see the tornado? Give me a thumbs up there. It's kind of blurry there, but she's way across the lake. That is a big... Can you still see the tornado? Keep giving me thumbs up. Can you still see it? It's a big tornado. Hopefully she'll come over on the lake. That is a huge tornado. Yeah, she's coming on the lake here. That might be 2 tornadoes even. That might be... More, yeah, thanks for the thumbs up, because hopefully you can see it there. Big wedge. You guys know if it's by McGregor, Minnesota? There might be 2 tornadoes over there too. You know if there's 2 tornadoes? Yes? Jeannie, there's 2 tornadoes, okay. Because I can see 2 tornadoes across the lake. Big, and the other one's pretty good size too. I think the one's dissipating, but the second one, unless I'm wrong, she might be off to the right. I know the first one, I think the first one's dissipated. You guys know? The second one, a lot of lowering there. I'm going to stay over here and I might go chase down. I don't like being in the salad here. It's not good for storm chasing. Hoping I could catch the tornado here. I think that's it. I think she's roped out. I think that was it. She could come down. I might stay here a little bit. I might go back on radar. and see what's going on here. Yeah, Diane, I think that might have been two. I think, yeah, she's roping out. Yeah, I don't know. I might go south of the lake, because if I... There's a... I think she roped out and she's done. I might end the broadcast right here and check radar, because I think I'm right on the front line here, the frontal line. You guys know, was it in McGregor, Minnesota? Someone give me a thumbs up or say yes or something. Was it in McGregor? I'm hoping it avoided McGregor and it was just in the salad. Hopefully that's it, and it stayed away from the... And I drove all on the eastern edge of Mille, and no one's at the resort here. No one's at the resort thing. Well, it doesn't mean the thing can't come out here, but I think this is the best day of chasing I've had. The good vantage here. That was a huge tornado. I wonder what she's going to be rated. That by Elbow Lake, that was a huge wedge tornado earlier. I'm gonna put it out on the Twitter and go back on radar. And like I said, I don't like chasing in the salad. Later and see what else I can get. Let's see you soon. Bye.